If you're a pet owner, you know that you'll do anything possible to make your pets comfortable, especially if they're in pain. Now, if you've read anything at all about light therapy, it's supposed to be very beneficial in terms of stimulating the cells and repairing different areas which are damaged or sore. Maybe they're arthritic or anything of that nature. Now, Pupka just sent me out red light therapy for pets wand, and I want to show that to you today because it's amazing. It's very simple, easy to use, and our dog, which is a boxer and he's got arthritis in his leg, really seems to enjoy it. I can tell you that he really likes us paying any sort of attention to him, and I'll show a clip with us demonstrating the red light, but this is what it looks like. It comes in this fantastic zippered case that will contain everything, including your charging cable and these goggles, if you choose to wear those. But this is the wand itself, so very ergonomically friendly. The red light area is right here. It's also got a display, which I'm going to show you. So if you press and hold the power button, display is going to come on, and you can select a number of different time intervals, anywhere from 5 minutes to 30 minutes of therapy that you want to apply to the dog. Now, we tend to do it at 20 minutes. It just seems to be a nice happy medium. And like I said, he seems to enjoy it. Now, once you've set the time, you're going to press the power button again, and that's going to give you your red light. And you're just going to rub that over the area. You don't need to press down or anything like that. But in terms of simplicity and being easy to use, this is great. He seems to find it very, very relaxing. This is intended for pets, not for people, but it comes with everything you're going to need. And like I said, as a pet owner, you're willing to try anything to make them more comfortable. So check this one out from Pupka. Again, this is their light therapy for pets, and it comes with everything you're going to need, simple and easy to use.